Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I style my natural hair. If you find this video entertaining or interesting, or if you learn something from this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So the first thing that I did, I washed and straightened my hair. Here in my country, we call half on full blow dry. So what I did is half blow dry because I'm planning to braid my hair like in the next 2 or 3 days. This is the brush that I always use to brush my natural hair. This is the same brush that I use on my wigs. The reason why I love this comb is because I feel like it's less painful compared to the other comb. Guys, my hair is very thick, especially if I spray water on it or if I wash it. It's very thick and it's painful to comb it. That's why I always prefer this comb. I feel like it's just less painful. So the first thing that I'm going to show you, it's called a beehive. We call it beehive here in my country. Just brush your hair and then you're going to hold it up like this and make sure it's loose. Make sure it's not that tight to create that to create the style, to create the beehive style. So once you hold it like that, I'm going to secure it with pins.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión.
When you hold this hair like this, it kind of creates an illusion of volume because you know it's loose and it kind of bulges out and makes it look fuller. For this front hair, you can flat tie on it, or you can hold it on the side using pins.
No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos.
So this is the beehive. This is what we call beehive here in my country. So some people tell me that I have beautiful hair and I should not wear wigs, but I can't have my hair like this for like 3 or 4 days or a week. I can't because my hair is so thick, and if I blow dry it like in 2-3 days, it just goes to how it was before. It becomes thicker, it shrinks, and then when you brush it, it's so painful because it's so thick. And yeah, that's why I love wigs. I feel like wigs save me a lot from the pain of combing and just managing it, but I still love my hair. So the next style, I'm going to use ponytail extensions, and there's a tutorial that I shared with you on how to make ponytails or extensions. Just in case you're interested, you can check the description box down below. So I'm first of all going to hold my hair like this in a ponytail, and then guys, when you put your hair in a ponytail like this, just make sure it's not too tight because it can be too painful. You can have headaches just because of, you know, making it too tight, making the ponytail too tight. I'm talking from experience. Never do that. I tried it one day and it was so painful. I had to undo the entire, you know, ponytail. So just make sure it's loose but it's secure. So again, if you want to know how to make these ponytails, just check the description box down below on one of my videos. And then it doesn't have combs, but it has this elastic band just to make it secure. So this is the first color number 27. I always wear color 27, 1900, and color black. So just comment down below your favorite color. So this is 1900, again, no combs, just the elastic band. So this is color number 1, which blends well with my hair. It actually makes it look more natural, like someone might just think it's my natural hair.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad y más la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá a través de la gran oscuridad y más
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Just comment down below if you love these styles, if you love these extensions, and if you found this video entertaining, interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.